Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the affected area immediately. Open the highest quality file, then make a stamped layer so you never alter the original. Once done, add a layer mask and select a soft low-opacity brush. Paint black to hide light, white to reveal. You're establishing control so adjustments aren't destructive. Make sure to zoom to 100% and toggle the mask visibility frequently. This gives you a non-destructive canvas to remove unwanted light precisely, without breaking color or text. Now you refine both texture and color to match the surrounding pixels. First, create frequency separation. Blur the low layer for color and keep the high layer for texture. On the high layer, use the clone or healing brush to restore fine details. On the low layer, use subtle dodge and burn or color sampling to fix tonal shifts. Once blended, switch mask painting to reveal only corrected areas. This preserves grain and prevents the flattened, painted look you must avoid. Finish by blending corrections seamlessly into the image. Feather the mask edges with a tiny Gaussian blur and adjust the stamped layer opacity until the correction reads naturally at multiple zoom levels. Then add a subtle curves or levels layer clipped to the stamp to match overall contrast and color. If you see haloing or repeated patterns, lower opacity, pick a different source area, or redo the clone on the high-frequency layer. That troubleshooting step fixes most visible artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.